Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lessons with Mark, where I'm going to be talking to you about a topic, an ingredient or something that will help you out in cooking. We're going to do a little deep dive. I'm not going to be cooking, I'm just going to be talking. So if you want to see me cook, go watch the other videos. If you want to sit around, pull up a cup of tea, have a cold cup of coffee out of a mug that's got ding dongs on it, then enjoy. That's a really cold espresso, that's absolutely disgusting. So this one, flatbreads, right? Don't switch off. Stick with me, baby cakes. Flatbreads are one of those things that you can make in no time at all. It takes zero skill and they are absolutely amazing. And the ways that you can sort of like navigate it and change it is brilliant. So if I'm going to give you a basic starting point of a ratio of 2 to 1, so 2 to 1, I'd go flour, yogurt, right? So this is a very simple flatbread recipe. If you go self-raising flour, you don't need to put any leavening, baking, rising ingredient. But if you're going to go plain flour, then stick a little bit of baking powder in there to make it wonderful. Now, all you need to do is mix that together. Now, what does the yogurt do? The yogurt adds a wonderful acidity. It also gives you that fatty mouthfeel, so it feels like you're getting something that's really, really enjoyable. So all you need to do is literally mix it all together, let it chill for a little bit, then just pin it out, put it into a pan with a little bit of oil and cook, and it is joyous. So if you're ever stuck, if you're making a curry or you made a soup or something, you're like, oh no, I need a flatbread. Just do this. You could do it in like 5 minutes, flat, done. But the thing where you can be playful with this, which I think is really exciting, which I think is just the fun bit, is if you take your flour, which can be, you know, your self-raising flour or your plain flour. I'm not going to talk about gluten-free because I don't understand it. From here, you know, the lube that you're using can change. You can change it. If you want to use yogurt, which we talked about, lovely. What if you use coconut milk? Is that doable? Don't know, might as well try it. You can use water if you haven't got anything in the house. And then think about the flavor profiles of these. So will they need something to go in with it? Probably. Everything always needs a little bit of salt. Coconut, you're probably going down a sort of a slightly, sort of like, you know, sweeter route. So maybe you could put some desiccated coconut through there. I always call it defecated. Once you've got your flat bread over here, which is made using any of these ways, you've basically got a dough, then it is your duty to run wild with it and pair it with whatever you've got. So you've got your flatbread. Do you want to pin some crispy onions through it? Do you want to pin through some you know, cumin or caraway seeds or some nuts, or you know, what do you want to do? Do you want to put a bit of curry powder through it? It's all of these like wild things that you can do. Some grated cheese, you know. It's just endless. A flatbread is one of those things that once you sort of like know the basic principles of like a 2 to 1 ratio of making it, you are absolutely golden. The kids could do it, you could do it, and you can have it in a wonderful way. And my son used to have flour and yogurt, pin it out, turn it into a circle, tomato sauce or some tinned tomatoes, a bit of cheese, and you've got a pretty terrible, but a pizza in the space of about 5 minutes. So if you're ever in a rush, the kid's not going to know. They're not going to go, hey dad, this is not a Neapolitan pizza base that I requested. You're like, no mate, it's food, eat it, good luck. There you go, that's flatbreads, how to navigate them, how to change them. Enjoy, I love you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.